Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech and baby gear expert with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Pipa Base using the lap and shoulder belt. Now, before you continue, make sure to always read the manual of the car seat and of your vehicle, because it's not going to be the same installation in every car. This is just a general installation video. So knowing how your car works and where everything is going to be extremely important. But yeah, let's begin. Before we do anything on the installation, we need to make sure we release the load leg. If you flip the base over, you're going to see a leg stored underneath, and we need to pop this out. This is an extra safety feature, and it's highly recommended that you use it whenever possible. And we'll adjust that at the end. The first thing we're actually going to work on is the leveling device. There is a bubble indicator on both sides of the base, and as long as the bubble is touching the black line, you know that the baby's sitting at the right position. If the bubble is not touching the line, we may need to adjust it. To adjust it, you're going to flip the car seat over again. On the other end of the base, there's a recline boot. You're going to grab it, you're going to lift up, that's going to pop out, and that has now repositioned the base. And if the angle wasn't correct before, it should be good now. For a seatbelt installation, we're going to use our blue lock-off device. So lift this up, and the seatbelt is going to go right through. I'm going to grab my seatbelt. We're going to go under the handlebar. We're going to go through the blue lock-off device, underneath the other handlebar, and we're going to buckle in. Once we're buckled, we can begin to tighten it. What you want to do is you want to grab the shoulder belt and you want to pull it away from the seatbelt buckle. While you're pulling it away from the buckle, you can apply weight to the base, and you want to go from side to side. You're going to feel the strap tighten up little by little. Make sure the lap and the shoulder belt both end up underneath the blue lock-off device. Make sure they're as flat as possible. And then you can go ahead and close. The way you're going to check this to make sure it's a tight installation is with one hand. Either hand is fine. Grab it from either side of the handlebar, and you're looking for an inch of movement. If the car seat cannot slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, you're all good. But if the car seat does move more than an inch, you're going to have to pop this open, tighten the seatbelt some more, and then close it again. The one place you definitely don't want to check it from is the back of the base here. This part is going to move in most vehicles, and in some cars it'll move more than others, but that movement is normal. If an accident were to happen, the car seats absorb the crash force, it redistributes it, and instead of the force being released on the child, it's released on the back here. So don't check it from the back. That's going to move no matter what. You want to check it where the car seat is being installed. That's where it should not be moving more than an inch. Our angle is still in the right position, and now we can work on the load leg. The load leg is designed to just go straight down to the floor. There's a window near the bottom that is red until it's flat on the floor. Once it's flat, the window turns green. What you don't want the leg to do is you don't want to extend it enough where it's lifting up the back of the base. The base should always be flush with the vehicle seat. So if the leg ever extends while you're driving or while you're trying to take the car seat out of the base, make sure to reset it. Right here in the middle where this big brick looking thing is, there's a gray button. If you push it all the way in, it unlocks the leg. You can now retract it. Make sure the base is flush with the vehicle seat, and then allow the leg to go straight down to the ground so it's back to green. And that's your installation. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.